What's happening, guys? So today, a short video, the Hellcat catch can. This is a Billet Technology catch can. Short story behind it. If any of y'all have ordered this catch can or any of the parts, hopefully y'all don't believe the 6-week guarantee. I ordered this part back in November. I tried to order it on the 12th and was told I'm going to miss out on the Black Friday sale. Save a few days, save some money, and get the same product. Anywho, 6 months later almost, I received it today. Now, I'm sure all of y'all have called every 2 weeks like you were told, and they sent me half my stuff and then offered me just a plain aluminum one. That ain't gonna work. So anywho, it's a short little video. We'll go through a few things. Our event is literally a week away. Set this prop out so I wouldn't forget it. There are 10 trophies that will be handed out. Anywho, set that guy back over there. Let me get this camera set up and adjusted, and we'll go through this step by step. It's pretty easy. 17 millimeter, all you'll really need. I do have some, I got a deep well and just a regular 17, and see if I can get around the belt or not. We'll see. Other than that, let me get this camera adjusted and we'll get going. I'll go through this and I'll show it, but it's an odd bolt sitting right here in the front. We're going to start with taking the engine cover off. Set this guy out of the way. There's not many things you're going to need for this. This is not super complicated. PCV valve out. Alright, so I'm going to get one of our hoses. Sorry, I can't see myself, so alright, so what you're going to need here is some lubricant. Just to get them to seat, you want them to go down, you want them to get good and tight. Motor oil or Dawn. Get some out of your wife's cabinet. What the hell is this? No, not that. Alright, get a little Dawn. There we go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lubricate all of them. While I got this on my finger. The soap does work better than the engine oil, but it's preference what you got. Obviously not the other stuff I was holding. Alright, so that's done. Now, use our same little handy dandy towel to wipe it off. Usually have a shop rag around me, but not today. Alright, so we're going to put the 90 on. Slide this guy in there good and tight. Straight in. Oh shit, you know what? Don't put that on there yet. Oh hell. Come off there, baby. Can't forget your little ends. Waiting all that time for that. I mean, shoot, that would suck. Alright. Put your other end on there. Slide that guy in there good and tight. Alright. So, we're ready to get started. This wiring harness is going to be pushed up out of the way. Now, you're going to set this in here to where it clicks. Just like so. Let that guy just hang out. Same thing with this guy. Me, I want to hear it click and I want to be able to pull on it a little bit. seem very tight. That don't seem right. It's just air that goes through though at this point. Okay. I guess I'll have to keep an eye on that and look, see how that all works out. Alright. So you're gonna mount this guy right here on this bolt. Now I'm gonna show you the bolt later on, but you're gonna put your lock ring on. And I don't have small hands, so this is not super easy right here around this belt. But I want to finger tighten this in as much as possible. Alright. She's about as tight as she's going to get. So, I guess I'm just going to do the wrench. I'm sure this will get fast forwarded. I'm just going to lean this forward a little bit until I get this tightened up. Do not want to scratch this. It took me damn near 6 months to get it. And I was not going to settle for a non-anodized one. Now as you start feeling tension, you'll want to pick it up and try to keep it as straight as possible. I'm sure there's going to be some tension. And you don't want to put this on super tight, but you do want it tight enough to where you're not moving it. She ain't moving. Alright. We're going to set that one there. Let's go ahead and get this guy on here. And I've already put everything on it, so all I got to do is bend the hose and slide it in there, and it pretty much pushes itself in. And you can see it's good and tight. Soap on my hands. Alright, bend this guy around here. Slide it in. You can push it in there as tight as you can. Make sure it piece of weave out. See, that bothers me. I don't know why it's loose. Anywho, alright. Keep an eye on that, see if I see any drippage coming out from underneath that later on. Well, did not need these guys. Wrench and sockets was just in the way. Well, we'll leave those there until I'm done. Alright, put the cover back on. Pretty simple. Start the back. Here's click, click. It's all down. It's all back the way it's supposed to be. Yep. Alright. That's pretty much the end of that. Good and tight. Good and tight. Everything's there. That PCV valve is not wiggling at all now. So, alright. That was just a quick little video. Something real simple. You see I started and finished in less than like 5 minutes. There are trophies. Event's huge. I'm trying to get SRT Mush to come out. He's got some family coming in town, so he doesn't know if he's going to be there. Heather from She Without Fear is coming. I'm not sure which car she's bringing. I'm not sure if she's bringing a McLaren or a Corvette, so we'll see about that. I will be down I'll be down in Montgomery on Friday. I'll be there for Friday night, staying through Saturday. I'll be at the event full time. Both cars are set up. I've got another video on tires that we're going to do. I would be doing more videos, but I've been so busy with work and trying to keep afloat and get shirts printed and, you know, a few hats made. It's really been crazy. So hope to see y'all all there. See you next time.